Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, we are continuing with learning curves and we'll study 5 markers. In my last session, I taught you standard 1 mark questions. Now, we'll go ahead with 5 markers. So, I can say this is an easiest chapter. Ella chapter ge compare madadre idu tumba sulubavaದ chapter. Easy ಆಗಿ 5 on 5 you can score from the 5 markers. So, in your board exam, one compulsory 5 mark question they'll ask from learning curves. So, it is easy to calculate, just you should have calculators. So, calculators are allowed and I will teach you the method. You apply the method, use calculators and get the correct answers. So, you can score 5 marks out of 5. Okay. So, now let me start with the first problem. See here, the time required to produce the first unit of a product is 1000 hours. So, they gave time required for first unit. They gave time required for first unit. What is the time required for first unit? They gave 1000 hours. First unit time is given, that is 1000 hours. For first unit, they are taking 1000 hours. This is given. So, make a note of this. Then, what else is given? Learning effect. They told learning effect is 80%. So, learning effect is 80%. Learning effect they gave 80%. This is also given in the problem. Make a note of that. Then calculate the time per unit and the time taken to produce altogether 8 units. They want you to calculate the time for how many units? 8 units. So, they want time for 8 units and cost for 8 units. Time for 8 units, number of hours for 8 units and cost for 8 units. Cost for how many units? 8 units. So, these are the 3 things you should make a note. To solve this problem, we have 2 methods. One is formula method, the other one is table method. So, they will ask you to solve and calculate the time. They will not mention which method you have to adopt. So, my suggestion to all of you is follow table method. Follow what method? Tabular method or table method. Tabular method or table method is the best method to solve the problem and it is easy method. Now, I will teach one problem. Focus, pay attention. One problem if you are thorough, you can simultaneously solve all other problems. So, what my suggestion to you is simple. Pay attention when I am teaching for this particular problem. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಲಭ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓದಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೆಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್? 1000 hours. Make a note of it. Then learning effect also they will give. What is the learning effect given? 80%. Make a note of it. And they want time taken for 8 units and cost for 8 unit. So, cost per hour they give, cost per hour they give, per hour cost is 12 rupees 50 paise. So, total cost you need to calculate. So, now using all these things we construct table. First you should know what are the entries of the table. Solution starts like this. Before I solve, first we will write what is given. So, what is given? They have given for first unit, time for first unit is given 1000 hours. And learning effect LE, learning effect they gave 80% and also they gave cost per hour. Cost per hour is 12 rupees 50 paise per hour. These many things they gave. If you want to solve the problems of learning curves, first draw the table. So, first entry of the table is units produced, then total output, cumulative average time per unit, cumulative average time per unit, total number of hours. So, you should make 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So, total 4 columns you should make. First column units produced. What is the first column? Units produced. What is the second column? Second column is total output. So, then cumulative average time. What is the time taken? Then total number of hours. Please remember this. Make a table containing 4 columns. What are the 4 columns? The first column is units produced. Sometimes the problem will be in lots, then you write lots produced. Now, the problem is in units, units produced, total output, cumulative average time per unit. This is time per unit, then total number of hours. Now, coming to this. So, they told 1 unit, so units produced, say first unit produced. So, total output is also what? 1. When I produce this, I will get output 1. And for first unit, what is the time given? First unit takes 1000 hours. This is given. So, take 1000 hours. This entry is given in the problem. If you refer the problem, they told for first unit time taken is how much? 1000 hours. So therefore, I will enter in the table first unit 1000 hours. So total number of hours is 1000. Any doubts? Any doubts? All of you are able to follow? First you should draw the table. So they will not give the table, you should draw the table. What is the first entry in the table? Units produced. What is the second entry in the table? Total output. What is the third entry? Cumulative average time per unit. What is the fourth? Total number of hours. So units produced is 1, total output is 1, and hours is 1000, and total number of hours is also 1000. This you should enter. Then what you should do? So now total units produced, I will produce one more unit. I will produce how much? One more unit. Already I had 1 unit, now I am producing 1 unit. Total number of units 1 plus 1, these two you should add, and this is 2 units. To produce second unit, what is the time taken? Time taken will be, so 80%, they told learning effect is 80% they have given. So 80% of the previous time. 80% means 80 by 100. Per means what? By. Cent means what? 100. 80 by 100 of the previous time. What is the previous time? 1000 hours. So simplify this. 80 by 100 of 1000, 2 zeros cancels, and you will get 800 hours. Please understand, for second unit, for one unit you are taking 800 hours, first unit 1000 hours, second unit 80% of 1000 hours. You will not take 1000 hours, you will take less than that. I told you first when I defined what is learning curve. Learning curve concept deals with what? Decrease in the total number of hours with increase in units. So now it became 800 hours. So now you are producing total how many units? 2 units. So 2 into 800. So for 1 unit it is 800, total output is 2, 2 into 800, 800 into 2 is what? 1600. So means total to produce first and second unit put together you will take just 1600 hours, you are not taking 2000 hours. So I hope all of you understood the second column. So now 1 plus 1, what is 1 plus 1? 2. Add the above elements, 2 units. So now total output, so now I am producing 2 units, total output means what? So 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. I'll repeat, observe, first I produce 1 unit, output is 1, then I'll produce one more unit, means before I had 1, I'll add this here. So total output 1 plus 1, 2. Now 1 plus 1, if you add these to 2 units, I am producing 2 units. Now total 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 I will put here. Now for time for 1 unit is 80% of the previous time. Here always we should do 80% of the previous. 80 because learning effect is 80%. If they give 90%, then take 90%. 80% means 80 by 100 of previous time. What is the previous time? 800. 80% of 800. Again I will cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So 8 8 is 64, 640. So to produce 1 unit, now I am taking only 640 hours. As I learn, time taken will become less. Now 640 hours for 1 unit, I am producing how many units? See the output. Output is what? 4 units. So multiply 4 to this. 640 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 1. Then 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25, 0. So 2560 hours. So I am multiplying 4 and this. Number of unit, total output is 4 and 640 for 1 unit. 640 into 4 madadra, you will get 2560 hours. Then, so add this 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4. I am producing 4 units. So now here, if I add 4 plus 4, 8. Or if you add all 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 units. 80% of 640, 80 by 100 of 640 about time. So simplify this, 0 0 cancels, 0 0 cancels, 8 into 65, 8 4s are 32 and 8 6 are 48. So 51, 512 hours. Now per unit you are taking just 512 hours. 512 into number of units, total output. What is the output? You should multiply this. If you want total number of hours, total number of hours means what? The column output into time per unit. Output is what? 8, 8 into 512, 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 into 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, then 8 5s are 40. Now you have 4096 hours. To produce 8 units, you are taking just 4096 hours. And the question is, if you refer the question, they want for 8 units, that's it. So that's why I'll stop it, because my output I got 8 units, I'll stop the process. Now I'll simplify this. Here first unit 1 you put, then add the above one, you'll get next, add these two, you'll get next, add all, you'll get next. But here go on doubling, 1, 2, then 2 double is 4, 4 double is 8, like that. So you stop. If you want 8 output 8 units, here when it is 8 you should stop the process. And each time, first time we'll write whatever is given 1000 hours, then each time multiply the time previous time with learning effect. Learning effect is what? 80%. 80% of previous time 800, 80% of this 800 640, 80% of 640 512, and this is the per unit time. So number of units means total output. So 800 into 2. If you do that, you will get this total. Now after you get this, we will write total time to produce 8 units is 4096, and this column is obtained by multiplying these two. If you multiply this and this, this and this, you will get this column. Now you got total time 4096 hour, and given labor charges for 1 hour. So given labor charges for 1 hour is, they give for 1 hour 12 rupees 50 paise. This is given in the problem. So now total cost, how to calculate total cost? Multiply these two. So total cost is equal to 4096 into multiply 12.50. I am repeating, you can use calculators to multiply this and enter the value. So 12.50 into 4096, if you do, you will get 51,200. So this is the total amount. So 51,200 rupees is required. That is the total cost to produce 8 units. Total number of hours is 4096 hours. So if you solve this, you will get complete 5 marks. Isn't it easy? It is simple and direct. So we have solved the question. First entry 1 unit, output is also 1. Second entry 1 more unit, above what is there, that you should add and write. So below this add these two and write, below this add all and write, and here go on doubling, 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Stop here because they want 8 units. If they want 16 units, then you go to this. That's it. So now I'll fast forward and I'll solve the same problem. So I'll erase everything and I'll solve the same problem. Please observe this. Once you are thorough with the first problem, remaining you can do yourself. So now what is given in the problem? So first we'll read what is given in the problem. Now we have to read first unit time. What is the first unit time? 1000 hours. Please remember, what is the first unit? 1000 hours. So we'll enter this. So first unit 1000 hours. This is given. I made a note of it. Then search for learning effect given. So they have given learning effect. In every problem they will give learning effect. What is the learning effect given? 80%. So learning effect is given, that is 80%. So make a note of this. So learning effect is given, make a note of it, that is 80%. And what else is given? So then calculate the time taken for 8 units. They want you to calculate for time for 8 units and cost for 8 units. This is the question. So from the given problem, however the big is problem ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಓನ್ಲಿ. When you produce 1 unit, output is 1, and time for first unit they give how much? 1000. This is given, enter it. And then total number of hours 1000. See, total number of hours means you should multiply these two. E column only, this column is obtained by multiplying second column and third column. Idu multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 into 1000. What is 1 into 1000? 1 into 1000 is what? 1000. And next, second unit. See, I produce 1 unit. I'll write it here. Now I am producing 1 more unit. So now total 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 2 units, and one more simple technique I'll tell you. Go on doubling this, 1, 2 units, then it will become 4 units, then it will become 8 units, stop. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Add all, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. Stop it because my output required is 8 units, so stop it here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then so I told you how to fill this. Let me repeat how to fill this. So first I'll ask you people to fill time for first I'll ask you to fill the second column, which is easier. So second column can be filled easily. How to fill second column? Go on doubling first unit, then double this 2, 2 2s are 4, then 4 2s are double, 4 2s are multiply 2, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, stop it. And how to fill first column? To fill first column, first I'll produce 1 unit, then above what is there, that I'll write, then I'll add these two and I'll write down 1 plus 1 is 2, then I'll add all and I'll write next 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, I'll stop it here because I stopped the second column here, my output is 8 units. So first column, first you fill the second column, 1 2 double 2 4, 4 2s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, stop it here because I need 8 units. Then you fill this column, first I'll produce 1 unit, then I'll above what is the number, put it and add these two and put it, add the above numbers and write down like that. So add the previous units and put it. Now cumulative average hour for 1 unit, they will give in the problem, this is given 1000 hours, multiply these two and write it here, 1 into 1000 is 1000. Then to calculate second unit, see the learning effect. What is learning effect? 80%. 80% means 80 by 100 of previous time. What is the previous time? Above column, what is the time? 1000. So simplify this, 2 zeros cancels, you'll get 800 hours. Now you multiply this 800 with 2, 800 into 2 gives you 1600 hours. So now, or if you want, if you make a column bigger, here you can show this also. Here 2 into 800, 2 into 800 becomes how much? 1600. Further 2 into, now next average time, above time is 800, now 80% of the above time, 80% of 800, 80% of 800 means cancel 2 zeros, 8 8s are 64, 640. So now 640 into 4, 4 into 6, output into this time you should multiply, 640 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 125, 2560. Then 80% of this, how to fill this column? 80% of the above, 80 by 100 of above, above is how much? 640. Simplify this, 0 0 cancels, again 0 0 cancels, 8 6 8 4s are 32, multiply this. So now 8 4s are 32 and 8 6 are 48, 512. So now 512 into 8, 512 into output, output is what? 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9, 8 5s are 40. So this is the total time because we want time. So now 4096 hours. So now we got, so total time is 4096 hours and total labor hour per, they have given 12 rupees 50 paise. Now total cost, this is hours, this is rupee. Now I need to calculate total cost, this is given cost, so I'll write it here. Total cost means multiply this, total cost is equal to total number of hours required is 4096 into cost per hour. What is the cost per hour? 12 rupees 50 paise. If I multiply these two, I'll get 51,200 rupees I'll get. You can use calculator to calculate this. I hope all of you understood the first problem. In second problem, what is given? So an engineering company has won a contract, so much they have given, but we need to pick only what? Time for first unit. Time for first unit they gave 500 hours. We need learning effect, they gave 90%. And how many units they are told? 8 units. So we'll search 40 per unit, and how many units they want? They want 8 units. So now time for first unit is given. What is the time for first unit? They gave 500 hours. This is required. And they gave learning effect. What is the learning effect they gave? 90%. And what else is given? Number of units required is 8 units. For 8 units you should calculate time and cost. So again we'll construct the table. What are the table entries? Units produced, total output, cumulative average time per unit, number of hours. Please remember the heading. First is units produced. First we will produce 1 unit. So my output is also 1, and I should add this and put it here. And cumulative time for first unit, they gave first unit takes 500 hours. When you read the question gave, in the question they gave time for first unit 500 hours. I am substituting it here. and now 500 into 1, I should multiply these two to put in this column. So 1 into 500, 1 into 500 gives you how much? 500. So total number of hours is 500. Then I'll produce next unit, one more unit I'll produce. So now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, add these two, it will become what? 2. Now to produce 2 units, per unit what is the time means? Always in this column, learning effect into previous time. How to fill this column? Learning effect into previous time. ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭ. ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ 90%. 90% means what? 90 by 100. So 90% of previous time, 90 by 100 of previous time. What is the previous time? 500. So simplify this. So I'll cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros. So 9 5s are 45. 45 0 450. So per unit I am taking 450 hours. How many units I am producing? 2. So multiply these two. This and this will multiply to get this column. 2 into 450. 2 into 450 becomes what? 900 total hours. To produce 2 units I am taking 900 hours. So now add these two. 1 plus 1 is 2. How to fill the first column? Add the previous values. What are the previous values? 1 and 2. Previous entries na add madre first column barate. 1 plus 1 2 aitu. Now add diagonally 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Or add all and put it here. Idella add madi 4 barate illaki. ಆಮೇಲೆ 90% of the above time. 90 by 100 of above time. What is the above time? 450. 90 by 100 of 450. 1 0 1 0 I'll cancel. 1 more 0 1 more 0 I'll cancel. Multiply this carefully. 9 5s are 45. 5 and 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 405. 405 hours. 405 into 4. So 4 into 405. Because total units is 4 units and time per unit is 405. So now I'll get total time. This multiply madadre ee column barutte. 4 5s are 4 into 5 20 and 4 4s are 16. 1620 hours. Now add all. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4. And now add all and write it here. Or idu add madadre saku. 4 plus 4 8. So now I got total output 8. I should stop because they want time for 8 units. So now this column 90% of the above value. 90% of above value estiide 405. 405 will fill. So 1 0 1 0 I'll cancel. Then further simplify this. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. Again 2 1s are 2 4.5. Multiply 4.5 into 81. Multiply 4.5 into 81. I am repeating, you can use calculators for this. After you multiply, you will get 364.5. So you 4.5 into 81 you do, you will get this value. Then multiply these two. 8 into 364.5 is equal to, again use calculator, don't do errors, use calculator so that you will get the exact value. You will get 2916. You will get what? 2916. This is the total number of hours. So we'll write it here. 2916 is the total number of hours and given labor hour. So if you read the question, they give 40 per hour. So per hour they give 40 rupees. Now total cost means multiply these two. So therefore total cost to produce 8 unit. Total cost is equal to number of hours 2196 hours into 40 rupees. So this is hours, this is rupees. Multiply these two, you'll get the total. Again use calculator. 2196, so you'll get 1,16,000. So multiply these two using calculator, you'll get this. So now this is a cost. That's it. Any doubts? I hope all of you understood this. So we'll go ahead with next few more problems in my next session. Thanks for attending the session. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.